In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS5 to a laptop. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first things first, you do need to understand something very important. Most laptops do not have an HDMI input. They only have an HDMI output, which usually means that you cannot plug just any HDMI cable from your PS5 into your laptop and expect it to work. So you have two real options. You could either use a capture card or you could use PlayStation Remote Play, which is a lot easier. Essentially, to do this, just download PlayStation Remote Play on your laptop. Enable it on your PS5 by going into your settings up at the very top, then scroll down to Remote Play on here, and you may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see this. If you don't see it in here, open up Systems and then scroll down to find Remote Play. Once you open up Remote Play, hit Enable Remote Play, and then on Remote Play on your laptop, sign in your PSN account, select your PS5, and as long as both devices are connected to the same internet, your PS5 will appear on your laptop. This method will work perfectly without needing extra hardware, or you can use the HDMI method with a capture card, which is just an HDMI cable and a USB capture card like Elgato or a similar device. Just plug that into your PS5 and then plug the capture card into your laptop. Open up the capture software like OBS, select the capture card as your video source, and your PS5 screen will now display on your laptop. This is actually what I'm doing right now to record this video. And if the screen looks cropped or the colors are off, go to Settings, Screen and Video, and then of course adjust the resolution, 120Hz mode, and HDR if supported. You could also adjust the display area to fix screen size issues, but that is how you can go ahead and connect your PS5 to a laptop. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.